So this is kind of like the park that's at the top of the seafront, if that makes sense. And then you go down these stairs by the looks of it. I didn't realise it was going to be so easy, to be honest. I've not seen these stairs before. And then the water is just down there. There's like a main road to cross as well when you get down there. So let's use this bridge and get across to the other side. Anyway, I think that was quite a successful little drone mission. Had myself up there. Don't think anybody even knew I was up there. Probably couldn't even hear the drone because the sea's so noisy. Loads of people bipping as I was going underneath me though. I don't know if they realised what I was doing. But bipping is just like a national pastime here in Peru. Just bit wrong for no reason. I just love watching the sea, it's incredible. There's even some nutters out there surfing as well. Okay, so as far as beaches go, this is pretty crap. I mean, there isn't a beach anywhere along there. It's just rocks. And there's nowhere to sit, nothing really to do. You've got a main road just behind you, there. But there's something just so calming and relaxing and just enjoyable about sitting there. The crashing of the waves is so loud and powerful, and just, I don't know, I enjoy it, it relaxes me. And then with these dramatic cliff faces behind me, I really like it. So I said that's been a pretty successful little mission. Got the drone up, got to come down to the seafront, sat there for a bit, had a walk up and down. So now it must be time for ice cream. That's all folks. Next video in a few days.